Right now, everyone watches the AI models. This briefing looks underneath them at the physical components driving the engine. Once you pull the cover off, the hype fades. You see exactly how the money, the machines, the power, and the people dictate how the system actually runs. U.S. corporate AI adoption just crossed 50%. For the first time, more companies are paying for the underdog, choosing Claude over ChatGPT to fit specific tasks rather than defaulting to the most recognizable brand. This chart plots Anthropic's recent IPO filing, showing a revenue jump from $9 billion to $47 billion in 6 months. When we overlay a standard corporate growth curve beneath it, the lack of historical precedent becomes clear. This behavior marks a shift toward tool utility over name recognition. Companies are now looking past the biggest logo to find the specific engine that performs for their specific workflow. This split screen shows NVIDIA's dual hardware strategy. On the left, industrial cloud supercomputers built for massive scale. On the right, hyper-efficient local chips running AI directly on a laptop with zero cloud costs. But both hardware strategies hit the same inflexible limit: electricity. Power is the physical choke point restricting global AI scaling. This global math illustrates Google's geographic strategy to bypass that physical limitation. They built data centers that chase the sun. As daylight moves across time zones, the system dynamically shifts compute workloads across the globe to wherever power is currently cleanest and cheapest. The ultimate winners of the AI race will be the companies that solve physical hardware efficiency and global power routing, rather than those relying solely on software intelligence. We also saw the human cost of this rapid scaling. OpenAI's top coder walked away from shipping code at 2 a.m., the thing he loved most, to take on the harder job of management. He reached the point where his elite technical skill was actually capping his growth. Moving away from the keyboard was the only way to scale the organization's output. The technical execution that drove early success in the AI boom will become a hard ceiling unless those high performers learn to delegate to agents and scale their leadership. To help you apply this intelligence, we built custom copy-paste prompts for today's stories. You can use them to audit your own business constraints or test drive AI agents. Access the entire prompt library at aisupersimplified.com/prompts and subscribe to the daily newsletter for ongoing intelligence. Knowing how the AI market operates is a start. Actively applying these tools to your business is how you steer the engine. See you Monday.